Er- Today's topic numerical problem. A rod of magnetic material of cross section 0.25 centimeter square is located in a 4000 ampere per meter magnetizing field magnetic flux passing through rod is 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 Weber. Find out the relative permeability and magnetization of rod. Find out the uh, relative permeability and magnetization of rod. This concept is based on magnetization, magnetic field, magnetic susceptibility, and everything. So now see, first we can again read the problem and write down the given data according to this problem. So see here, given data. So in given data, a rod of magnetic material of cross section. So that area of rod of cross section, how much A? A is equal to 0.25 centimeter square. So therefore A is equal to 0.25. So we have to convert in SI unit. So that is in meter square. So 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Again, is located in a 4000 ampere meter. 4000 ampere meter. So ampere meter is what? So that is a magnetic strength. H is magnetic strength. H, capital H, magnetic strength. Magnetic field strength is called as a magnetic intensity. What is H? Magnetic intensity. Magnetic intensity. So this magnetic intensity they have given how much? So H is given 4000 ampere per meter. And here this magnetic flux passing through the rod. Magnetic flux is given. Phi is magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. So this magnetic flux phi is equal to 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 Weber. Find out the relative permeability. Relative mu R is a relative permeability is a question mark. Then again relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility. Again third one is there. Magnetic susceptibility. So that is a chi. Then magnetization M. So all these we have to calculate to be calculated. Just go to about again. So we first we have to calculate the magnetic induction or magnetic field. The magnetic field B is phi by A. So therefore B is equal to what is phi? Phi is given where it is 25 to 10 to the power minus 6. A is given 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 4. म्हणजे सोपा आहे प्रॉब्लेम. काही घाबरायचं काय कारण नाही. फक्त सबस्टिट्यूट करायचं आहे. म्हणजे इथं काय ना 1/2 म्हणजे 1 इंटू म्हणजे नॉट ए 1 सो दॅट इज ए 100 भाग जातो 100 इंटू 10 टू द पॉवर मायनस 6 म्हणजे प्लस 4 म्हणजे काय ना हे आणि हे किती आहे ना 10 टू द पॉवर प्लस 6 that is 1. So what is the value of B? So the value of B is, so B is 1 Weber per meter square. 1 Weber per meter square, that is the value of B. So now we have to go to about the relative permeability. So see here relative permeability. One formula is there, so that is B is equal to mu into H. So B is equal to, what is mu? Mu is mu naught, mu r, permeability of free space, relative permeability into H. So now we can substitute this value of, so what is the value of B? Mu naught 4.10 to the power minus 7. Nantana, what is H? So everything we have calculated. B we know, mu mu naught we know, h we know, so we have to calculate mu now. Okay, so now I will rub this. So B is equal to mu naught mu r into h. So mu r is equal to B divided by mu naught into h. So mu r is equal to, so what is the value of B? So B value is 1. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. And what is h? h आपण आत्ताच कॅल्क्युलेट, h दिलेले, so that is a 4000. Okay, so that is the h is equal to 4000. So now we have to solve this 1 upon, so 4 pi into, मी 4000 कसं लिहिणार माहिती आहे का, मी 4 into 10 to the power 3. मग इथं काय येणार माहिती आहे का, नेक्स्ट वन इज 16. mu r is equal to 1 upon 16 pi into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. So mu r is equal to 1 upon 16 into pi is a 3.142 into इथं किती येणार minus 4. So mu r is equal to plus 4 झालं, मी 10 to the power 4 into यांचा जो काही मल्टिप्लिकेशन येणार आहे, सो दॅट इज ए 50.272. So now, so this is nothing but 10 to the power 4 means 10,000 divided by 50.272. हे सॉल्व केलं तर आपल्याला काय येणार आहे की 198.9 हे उत्तर आहे, 198.9. So now this one is the answer. So this one is a relative permeability. So now we have to see about again आता काय ना magnetic susceptibility. Again one formula is there, mu r is equal to, so mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. So therefore chi is equal to mu r minus 1. So chi is equal to, what is mu r? 198.9 minus 1. 198.9 minus 1. So chi is equal to 197.9. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय 198 येणार याचं उत्तर, आणि याचं उत्तर काय येणार थोडक्यात 199. आलं का राउंडिंग केलं तर. सो नाव दिस वन इज ए मॅग्नेटिक अँड दिस. ओके, म्हणजे रिलेटिव्ह परमेबिलिटी and magnetic susceptibility. Now we have to go to about the magnetization. Third point. So that is C point. Magnetization, M is equal to chi into H. So M is equal to, we know about the chi. So what is the chi? So this chi is nothing but how much? 197.9 into 4000. So when you can all these मग तुम्ही असं सर्व सॉल्व केलं, सो m is equal to 197.9 into 4 into 10 to the power 3. हे सर्व सॉल्व केल्यानंतर काय येईल माहिती आहे का, 791.6 into 10 to the power 3. मग मी हे असं लिहितो 7.916 10 to the power 2 10 to the power 3. Therefore m is equal to 7.916 into 2 plus 3 5 10 to the power 5. So now this one is the magnetization. As a unit काय असणार, magnetization. So magnetization unit is ampere per meter. So now this one is ampere per meter. Okay, this one is the first problem. सोपा आहे, काही चिंता करायचं नाही. हे बघा या पद्धतीने मी कॅल्क्युलेट केलेलं आहे, काही चिंता करायची काही गरज नाही, फक्त फॉर्म्युला सबस्टिट्यूट करा आणि सॉल्व करत जावा. नाउ सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम, द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ ए पैरामैग्नेटिक मटेरियल. द ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ पैरामैग्नेटिक मटेरियल इज अ chi at 27 degrees Celsius. At what temperature is susceptibility be? Chi by 3. At what temperature is a chi by t? So now this one is a for in case of paramagnetism मध्ये यामध्ये आहे. आता या पॅरामॅग्नेटिझम मध्ये आपल्याला माहित आहे की कायचा कसा फॉर्म्युला आहे. सो chi is equal to, so in this problem chi is equal to C upon C into mu naught upon T. So now this one is one formula. Or chi inversely proportional to 1 upon T. Chi is inversely proportional to 1 upon T. Therefore, chi 1 proportional to 1 upon T1. Chi 2 proportional to 1 upon T2. Therefore, chi 1 upon chi 2. So that is equal to reciprocal घ्यायचे म्हणजे इथं T1 upon T1. So what is our problem? Susceptibility of paramagnetic material is काय म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय in a given म्हणजे काय T1 is given temperature. How much temperature? 27 degrees Celsius. Now convert in a Kelvin at 273. So therefore T1 is equal to, so how much? 300 Kelvin. This one is a 300 Kelvin. So T2 we have to be calculated. So for T1, so here chi 1 is chi. And chi 2 is, for chi 2 is chi by 3. Chi 2 is chi by 3. Chi 1 is chi. Chi 2 is chi by 3. So now these are the concepts. So we have to calculate what T2. So here T2 is equal to, so now T1 into chi 1 upon chi 2. So therefore T2 is equal to, what is T1? T1 is 300 Kelvin. What is chi 1? So chi 1 is chi. Chi 1 is chi. हे बघा इथं आहे बघा खाली. Chi 1 is chi and chi 2 is chi by 3. So chi 2 is a chi by 3. So chi get cancel. So therefore T2 is equal to 3 into 300. So that is T2 is equal to 900. What is unit? Kelvin. 900 Kelvin. So now we have to convert in a degree Celsius. 900 minus 273. So when you can do this, so what will happen? So this answer will give you 627 degree Celsius. So now this is our answer. ओके ठीक आहे. प्रॉब्लेम सोपा आहे बरं का. हा प्रॉब्लेम असा लिहिलेला आहे. फक्त काय नाही, सो हा फॉर्म्युला वापरलं, काय प्रपोर्शनल टू 1 अपॉन टी. दोन फॉर्म्युले तयार केले, रेशिओ घेतला दोघांचा, मग नंतर ना T2 काढायचा आहे. मग गिवन डेटा इथं दिलेला आहे, काय T1 काय 1, T2 काय बाय 3. मग तो इथं मी सबस्टिट्यूट केला. नंतर मी काय केले, T2 आलेला आहे केल्विनमध्ये, इथंच फायनल आन्सर आलेला आहे. चालतं. हां थोडं अजून जास्त सॉल्व केलं मी, संपलं एवढा आन्सर. काय शंका? काही नाही. थांबूया इथंच आपण.